close your eyes, let your breathing slow. Tonight, we drift through the quiet vastness of the universe. Gentle facts like distant starlight, floating softly, carrying you towards sleep. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old, a number so large it makes our entire lives feel like the blink of a cosmic eye. Right now, the observable universe stretches nearly 93 billion light-years across, even though the universe itself is only 13.8 billion years old. Space itself has been stretching gently, quietly for all that time. There are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on every beach and desert on Earth. Somewhere between 200 billion trillion, and perhaps many times more. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you about 100,000 years to cross just our own Milky Way galaxy from one side to the other. Our Milky Way is home to roughly 100 to 400 billion stars. And there are at least 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each one carrying its own silent symphony of light. 95% of the universe is invisible to us. Dark matter and dark energy, they shape everything we see, yet they hide in perfect silence. Dark energy is gently pushing the galaxies farther apart. The expansion of the universe is actually speeding up, a quiet acceleration that has been happening for billions of years. If you could stand on the surface of a neutron star, just 1 teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as Mount Everest. The largest known black hole sits at the center of a galaxy called TON 618. It is about 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. So enormous, its event horizon could swallow our entire solar system many times over. There's a planet called 55 Cancri E, twice the size of Earth, possibly covered in graphite and diamond. A world of sparkling carbon. Silently orbiting its star, the Sun makes up 99.8% of all the mass in our solar system. Everything else, the planets, moons, asteroids, is just 0.2%. Saturn has more than 145 known moons. Some of them, like Titan, have thick atmospheres and lakes of liquid methane. Neptune's winds blow faster than any other planet, up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. Yet so far away, we will never hear their roar. There is a diamond rain on Uranus and Neptune. Deep inside, extreme pressure turns carbon into diamonds that fall slowly through layers of ice. The temperature of outer space is about -270.45 degrees C, only 2.7 Kelvin, the faint echo of the Big Bang, still cooling after all these billions of years. If sound could travel through space, the Sun would roar. A deep, constant thunder, louder than anything we can imagine. But space is a perfect vacuum. No air, no sound, only silence, absolute and eternal. One day, in about 4 billion years, our Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy will gently merge. Yet, because space is so empty, almost no stars will actually collide. The cosmic microwave background is the oldest light we can see, a soft glow from when the universe was just 380,000 years old, still surrounding us everywhere like a whisper from the beginning. There are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way. But across the entire universe, stars outnumber trees by factors too large to feel real. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It rotates so slowly, sunrise to sunrise takes 243 Earth days. On Mercury, the Sun appears more than 3 times larger in the sky than it does from Earth. And yet the nights are freezing colder than anywhere on our planet. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm that has lasted at least 350 years, large enough to swallow our entire Earth, and still raging quietly. There is a cloud in space called the Boomerang Nebula, the coldest known natural place in the universe. just 1 degree above absolute zero. Some scientists believe there may be an infinite number of universes. A multiverse where every possible version of reality exists somewhere silently. The fastest spinning known pulsar rotates 716 times per second, spinning so fast its surface moves at nearly a quarter the speed of light. If you fell into a black hole, time would slow down for you compared to the outside universe. You could watch billions of years pass in just moments. The universe has no center and no edge. Wherever you stand, it looks the same in every direction, stretching on forever. 1 teaspoon of a white dwarf star would weigh about as much as an elephant. The light we see from the Andromeda galaxy left there 2.5 million years ago, when our ancestors were just beginning to walk upright on Earth. There are rogue planets floating alone in the darkness, not orbiting any star, just drifting through the interstellar night. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons on Mars, is 22 kilometers high, almost 3 times taller than Mount Everest. If you could drive a car upward at highway speed, it would take about 1 million years to reach the edge of our solar system. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light in some places. Not because things are moving through space, but because space itself is stretching. There's a region called the Eridanus supervoid, one of the largest known. So empty, it may affect the cosmic microwave background, leaving a cold spot in the sky. Some quasars shine brighter than 1 trillion suns combined, fueled by matter falling into supermassive black holes from billions of light years away. The star Betelgeuse in Orion is nearing the end of its life. When it explodes as a supernova, it may become bright enough to see in daylight for weeks. The Boomerang Nebula is the coldest known place in the natural universe, just 1 degree above absolute zero, colder than even deep space itself, a gentle, frozen whisper in the void. Some neutron stars called magnetars have magnetic fields so strong they could erase credit cards from halfway to the moon, yet they spin quietly in perfect darkness. The galaxy IC 1101 is one of the largest known, with perhaps 100 trillion stars, a silent city of light, stretching across millions of light years. If you could fold space like a piece of paper, the farthest galaxies would be just a step away, but space itself stretches gently, carrying them farther each moment. There is a star called VY Canis Majoris, so enormous. If placed where our sun is, its surface would reach almost to Saturn, yet it shines softly from afar. The Pistol star glows with the light of up to 10 million suns, one of the most luminous objects we know, yet hidden behind thick cosmic dust like a veiled lantern. In the distant future, perhaps trillions of years from now, the last stars will fade, leaving only black holes slowly evaporating in an eternally dark, cold universe. Some black holes in the centers of galaxies sing, producing low-frequency waves like a B-flat note, 57 octaves below middle C, the deepest known sound in the cosmos. The Eridanus supervoid, one of the largest empty regions, stretches hundreds of millions of light years, so vast and empty, it creates a cold spot in the cosmic microwave background. Rogue planets wander alone between stars, no sun to warm them. just drifting silently through the interstellar night, perhaps with subsurface oceans frozen in time. The star HD 140283, nicknamed the Methuselah star, is one of the oldest known, perhaps older than the universe itself. Yet it shines quietly, defying easy explanation.